Anyway, see, all this, like, what should be but isn't world. You run all the time, run all the time, run all the time. Now, obviously, too, all you are younger than me. But, so you're in a stage in your life where you're ambitious. Yeah. You're ambitious because you got your whole life in front of you, unless you die. You see? You have a whole life in front of you, and you want to make something out of yourself, attain something, grow. Okay, cool. Do whatever it is, right? Cool. You actually can do all that and not suffer. You can do all that without, desire even. Just do it. That also, creates that. Say, do you intend? Say, are you committed? Good. Then shut up. Say, you don't have to do all more like worry and this and that, you don't have to do all that. Just do it. Say, but you don't really. Say, you think that this activity of imagining it, wanting it like that is the same as doing it. See? That's going to make some difference because that's somebody, it's going to drive you to do it or motivate you to do it. See? But it's not. Doing it is doing it. The rest is a waste of time. It's kind of like what makes a difference is the action you take, not the excuses or justifications. You see, for the actions that you didn't take or the actions you did take. See, like, if you take an action, something happens, right? And you say, well, yes, with that, there were some negative consequences, maybe some negative consequences to other people would say, well, yes, but I have good excuse for that. See, and I can justify it. Yeah, okay, good, see. All right. Now, one, that's going to cement the action, right? You're not going to make correction. You're not going to even see where the action was off or inappropriate or be responsible for the consequences of the action, blah, 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 whatever it is, or inaction, you see, if it's something you didn't do, which is often the case, see, because it gets cemented by the excuses and the justifications, as if they make a difference, but they don't make a difference. What makes a difference is the action you took or didn't take. And that you can do. Remember that talk we had about the difference between intent and desire. Intent, we could say you want to do something. So you want to do something, fine. But you want to do something and you do it. See? Which is to say, you do something. That's intent. Desire is you want something, you don't do it, you want it. You think about it, so to speak. And see how much bullshit that erases or wipes out when you say, okay, oh, I want this, I want that, I gotta do something like that. Okay, you're doing it? No. Okay, shut up. Okay, see, shut up. Well, no, I gotta tell that story. I gotta do that, otherwise, I'll lose track. Yeah. No, not if you're committed. End of story.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.